Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu name Sudoku puzzle on April 9, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column E, at third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 3rd row and 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Eighth row and 9th row, then column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 8. Column D, we have 1, 2, 8. The 3 number can't come this cell, it will come in another 3 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6, 8. 4th grade, we have 6 and 3. So 6 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. 9th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 and 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 2nd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, then column J, we have 4. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. then 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6. 9th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J and 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B and column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B and column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.